Welcome to the channel. Enjoy your meal and enjoy watching. And so, a new series from Defood. Boom. Apparently the chase continues. Let's break it down. Is this the new Skibidi boss? Oh, you. He's obviously going to be in pain right now. Oh my god. Is that another new boss? Wow. What's all the excitement about? Well, this is just a crazy series. No, that's very harsh. I felt very sorry for him. What? Another Skibidi toilet. It's the toilet apocalypse. Who is it? The professor, or perhaps the creator himself? Who do you think? Write in the comments.